Turkish defense company Baykar Technologies has officially introduced the Bayraktar TB2T-AI, a next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle featuring artificial intelligence integration and a turbo engine. The advanced aircraft successfully completed its first test flights in Keşan, Turkey, marking a major leap forward in Ucav technology. The Bayraktar TB2T-AI builds upon the legacy of the original Bayraktar TB2, which has been operational since 2014 and has surpassed 1 million flight hours. With enhanced altitude, increased speed, and AI-driven autonomous capabilities, this latest version is expected to play a critical role in modern battlefield operations. Equipped with a turbo engine, the Bayraktar TB2T-AI can rapidly ascend to over 30,000 feet in less than 30 minutes, outperforming previous Ucav in its class. During its test flights, the aircraft reached an altitude of 30,318 feet, setting a new benchmark for indigenous Ucav developed in Turkey. The increased speed is another significant improvement, with the TB2T-AI reaching 160 knots, 300 km per hour, compared to the original TB2's maximum of 120 knots. The aircraft's expanded payload capacity and higher endurance further enhance its combat effectiveness and operational range. The Bayraktar TB2T-AI is powered by 3 next-generation AI computers, providing advanced autonomous flight capabilities. The AI-driven systems enable the Ucav to perform terrain-referenced visual navigation, allowing it to function efficiently even under electronic warfare conditions. One of the standout features is its fully autonomous takeoff and landing capability, where the aircraft uses visual recognition to identify runways. The Bayraktar TB2T-AI is designed to be a game-changer on the battlefield, capable of overcoming a wide range of operational challenges. Its AI-supported systems ensure automatic return-to-base functionality in case of mid-flight emergencies, increasing resilience and operational safety. The aircraft's advanced situational awareness and enhanced threat detection capabilities make it a valuable asset for modern military operations. These features provide greater flexibility in conducting reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes.